here for pre-puja event, Adi Shakti Chapter 2. And let me call on stage our host, Riddhi. Over to you. And let's see.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, director, sir, teachers, and everyone gathered here. This is Riddhi Patwari, your host for today. I would like to invite Shubhadeep Adhikari for a beautiful introduction on women empowerment and Adi Shakti theme, which we are having today.
Today on the auspicious day of Vidya, I am going to deliver a speech on women empowerment. Remember women, your power and grace, the depth of your deep sea heart. Never forget you are a woman divine, as you have been from the heart. As Rees Levia mentioned in her poetry, what a woman is. The woman who carries the creation in her womb, a tender heart and hand that nourishes the love-born soul. The mother, the sister, the wife, the mistress. All of her work has written in the blood of sacrifice, tainted and glorified. Such irony of time is that now she needs empowerment. She is Sunita Williams, she is Suman Kumari, Indira Gandhi, Malala Yousafzai, Ida She non-Greek, she is India. She is abused, yes, she is the power. She is worshipped, yet fragile manhood needs her worship to feel boosted. She doesn't need empowerment because a woman has always been the queen, as the hands that rock the cradle are the hands that rule the world. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Satyarupena Sansita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha, which translates into, O Goddess, who is the symbol of power, we bow down to you every time. In Devi Pakha, Goddess Durga descends into our realm from heaven. She is the daughter of the Himalaya. Tucked with her children, she comes to her father's house. She is the mother, the daughter, the destroyer of evil, and the restorer of peace and harmony. She lies within every woman, and it's high time we awaken her. Let us celebrate our women. Let us not forget that if she can create, then she can annihilate too, just like Kali. At the beginning of Devi Pakha, let us celebrate her. Let us celebrate the divinity of womanhood. Thank you so much.
Now, I would like to invite director, sir, Alok sir and Neil sir on stage to say something about Durga Puja.
So, last time we did the chapter 1, which was hugely successful, and this year chapter 2. So I'm so looking forward to it. And as you all know, that Durga Puja holds a very, very special place among all of us. It's not only of one religion, like people from every religion comes together and celebrates. It's the worshipping of Mother Goddess, good over evil. And I think it also reminds us that, you know, no matter how much evil prevails, but at the end it's always the good deeds, the good thoughts, the good karma which wins, you know. So I think I hope that you will really enjoy today's evening, and I'm so looking forward to all your performances. And yes, have a very, very amazing and happy Durga Puja ahead. Thank you so much.
Now, I would like to invite Shantini Das for Ganesh Vandana.
Pranavalaya Pahi Paripalaya Parameshi Kamalalaya Shri Devi Kuripinsave Karunamburasi Dhim Tara Dhim Dhim Tara Jatulato Praname Natyam Chese Gatulato Namashatam Mula Natulato Napainani Tupapela Sharanantine Janani Nada Vinodini Bhuvana Palini Ve ఆలోచనే నిరంతరం నీకు నివాళినివ్వాలని నాలో ఆవేదనే నువ్వు ఆదరించేలా నివేదనవ్వాలని దేహమునే కోవెలగా నిన్ను కొలువుంచా జీవముతో భావముతో సేవలు చేసా ప్రతి ఋతువు ప్రతి కృతువు నీవని ఎంచా సతతము నీ స్మరణే.
Each. Now we are going to start with a drama which shows how Sati to Kali to Durga, women has changed and become powerful.
The story of Ma Sati and Lord Shiva is a tale of devotion and sacrifice. Ma Sati was daughter of Raja Daksha, who was a powerful ruler and ruled his kingdom. Ma Sati was in deep love with Lord Shiva and was ready to do anything for him and marry him. The day of Yagna arrives. Raja Daksh arranges a grand Yagna for prosperity and enlightenment of his kingdom. He invites all the Devtas except for Lord Shiva. After Ma Sati sacrifices herself, Shiva is enraged and starts the Tandav dance. Then he cuts his jata down, and from there the creation of Veerbhadra happens.
जटाटवी गलज्जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलम्ब्यलम्बितां भुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकान्तमड्डमड्डमड्डमन्निनादवड्डमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिव शिवम् जटाकटाह सम्भ्रम भ्रम निलिम्ब निर्झरी विलोल वीचि वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि धगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलल्ललाट पट्ट पावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रतिः प्रतिक्षणम् मम जटाभुजंग पिंगल स्फुरत् प्रणामणि प्रभा कदम्ब कुङ्कुमद्रव प्रलिप्त दिग्वधूमुखे मदान्ध सिन्धुर स्फुरत्वगुत्तरीय मेधुरे मनो विनोदमद्भुतं बिभर्तु भूत भर्तरि ॐ नमः शिवाय
वीरभद्र भद्र वीर वीरभद्र वीर वीरभद्र भद्र वीर वीरभद्र वीर वीरभद्र भद्र वीर वीरभद्र वीर वीरभद्र भद्र वीर भद्रकाल लोचन पिशाच भूतनायकं जटाकटाभुजङ्गरा कपाल काल शोभनं जं 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 जं
the result of imbalance and the imbalance of society and increase of evil. Adi Parashakti, the supreme power, awakens to restore the balance of universe. The Adi Parashakti appears to be divine pure eternal consciousness, that is Shunya Bindu. The divine feminine energy which expresses itself as Prakriti, universal nature, is the source of all other deities and is described as having 3 eyes carrying various weapons and taking different forms such as Kali, Durga and Tripura Sundari, which is existing in nature.
বেজে উঠেছে আলোক মঞ্জিত ধরণীর বহিরাকাশে অন্তরীত মেঘমালা পৃথিবীর অন্তরাকাশে জাগরিত জ্যোতির্ময়ী জগন্মাতার আগমন বার্তা আনন্দময়ী মহামায়ার পদধ্বনি অসীম ছাত্রে বেজে উঠে রূপলোক ও রসলোকে আমি নবভাব মাধুরী সঞ্জীবন
At that time, Raktabij, the war general of Shum-Nishum, was sent to the battlefield. The powerful demon Raktabij, who had been granted the strange boon that wherever his blood fell on the ground, it would form a new bija or seed, and from it will sprout another Raktabij.
जो उठेगा धड़ से कटेगा कहाँ पे छिपेगा कहाँ पे बचेगा बात बात पर है खाद मौत की बिछी बिसात उठा तो गिरेगा गिरा तो चिरेगा छिपा तो मिलेगा मिला तो मरेगा जाग जाग भाग भाग बच सके तो बच ले आज आंधी है ये जलजला है पूरे जोर पर चला है किसमें दम है जो लड़ा है कौन रह सका खड़ा है सबसे अटल सबसे प्रबल शस्त्र रचित रक्त चरित 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 सबसे अटल सबसे प्रबल शस्त्र रचित रक्त चरित रक्त चरित रक्त चरित रक्त चरित रक्त चरित
Shumb-Nishum were 2 Asur brothers who managed to obtain boon from Lord Brahma that they will not be killed by any male, whether human being, animal, bird, etc., but only a woman. So powerful Durga was sent with the boon from all other gods and goddesses to the battlefield and defeated Shumb-Nishum.
मधुकैटवविध्वंसी विधात्री वरदे नमः। रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि। महिषासुरनिर्णाशि भक्तानां सुखदे नमः। रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि। धूम्रनेत्रवधे देवी धर्मकामार्थदायिनी। रूपं देहि जयं देहि यशो देहि दिशो जहि।
Durga defeated Mahishasur in a fierce battle that lasted for 9 nights. She used her divine weapons including a trishul, discus, mace, bow and arrow to combat his shape-shifting abilities. In the end, she struck him with a trishul, killing the demon and restoring the peace to the world.
भद्रायै यतः प्रणता स्मतां। रौद्रायै नमो नित्यायै गौर्यै धात्र्यै नमो नमः।
भैरवि शाम्भवी चन्द्रमौळिरफला अपर्णा उमा पार्वती काली हैमवती शिवा त्रिनयनी कात्यायनी भैरवी सावित्री नवयौवना शुभकरी साम्राज्यलक्ष्मी प्रदा चिद्रूपी परदेवता भगवती श्रीलिंग भैरवी भैरवी मोहिनी देवता त्रिभुवनी आनंद सदायिनी वाणी वल्लभ पाणि वेणु मुरली गान प्रिया लोलिनी कल्याणी रुडुराज बिंब वदना तोम्राक्ष संहारिणी चिद्रूपी परदेवता भगवती श्रीलिंग भैरवी भैरवी
কবি রামপ্রসাদ সেনের লেখা বলমা কি আচারে, বলমা কি আচারে, কি মন্ত্র বিচারে, কোন আচারে পুজিনু মা, কি নামে রাখিব, কি মন্ত্র পাঠিব, কি দিয়ে গঠিব তোমার প্রতিমা। শুনেছি পুরাণে বেদগাম তন্ত্রে জিতশক্তি, মা তুমি জীবদেহ যন্ত্রে, মা তুমি জাগিবে কোন উদ্বোধন মন্ত্রে, কে দেবে সে মন্ত্র বল ভরো মা। আবাহন মন্ত্র রাখিব কোন ঘটে, যে ঘটে যা ঘটাও সে ঘটে তাই ঘটে, জগত মাঝে তব কোটি অসি মায়া, ঘটে বটে রটাও তোমার মহিমা। ফল পূজা করে লভিব কি ফল, কি ফলে বুঝলে পাবো ইষ্টফল, চরণেতে যার চতুর্বর্গ ফল, মোক্ষ ফলে বৃক্ষ ফল মনোরমা। নমস্কার।
लकीरें रब ने तो ये तस्वीर बनी, आग हवा पानी को मिलाया तो फिर ये तस्वीर सजी। हस्ती तेरी विशाल हो, कुदरत का तू कमाल है। मनमोहिनी तेरी अदा तुझे जब देख ले तो फिर घटा भर से झर 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 नाच चमक चमक वो बिजली दीवानी है। बेमिसाल तू कोरी कोरी अनछुई, तुझ में है कुदरत सारी खोई, तुझ में है कुदरत सारी खोई खोई, तुझ में है कुदरत सारी खोई खोई।
Adishakti, Adishakti, Serab Shakti, Namo Namo, Adishakti.
starting with young Sati, Shubhoshri Pradhan. Adult Sati, Mahishasur, Vishnu and Brahma by Shujadip Chakraborty and Disha Hazra. By Shankini Das. Shiv and His Soul by Swastika. Durga by Disha Hazra. Shubh Nishubh Kali and Tripura Sundari by Anjali Sharma and Timon Faliha. With the end of our fashion show, the event as well ends, and we would like to thank all of you to gather here, and director sirs to gather here, teachers to gather here, and now we will meet you in the next chapter of Adi Shakti, that's the chapter 3, and thank you so much.